A recent comment made by Reno Omokri, a former presidential aide, has sparked a strong reaction from Showunmi, who was the spokesperson for Atiku Abubakar during the 2019 presidential election. On Monday, 23rd of June 2025, during a new episode of the Honest Bunch podcast, Omokri claimed that he was the one who hired Showunmi for Atiku's campaign team. In the video, he said,
and how you were very vocal.
I wasn't spokesperson for Alhaji. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar wanted me to be a spokesperson. And I said, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to be a spokesperson for a president and then now come and be a spokesperson for a presidential candidate. But I will hire your media team. So he already had some media people in place. I hired Showunmi. I interviewed him. I called him. I hired him. I told him, okay, how much do you want to be paid? The Showunmi that you know. I hired him. I hired him. And I'm a meticulous record keeper. So when I speak, people do not want to contradict me, because if you contradict me, you'll be disgraced. I hired him. I interviewed him. I set his salary. And I said, okay, resume work on so and so day. That's your office.
However, Showunmi disagreed with the statement, quickly responded on social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter. He quoted a post and called Omokri's story rubbish. Showunmi explained that it was Amina Jambo, a friend, who helped connect him with Atiku's team. He said he had several meetings, including one with Atiku's advisor, Yigiwa Osage, and others before he accepted the job. He claimed that he only saw Omokri much later in Dubai during an event. He added, the young man is delusional. Believe Reno if you like, he talks nonsense. Showunmi also suggested that Omokri was not involved in hiring him at all. He accused Omokri of spreading lies in the past, especially about serious matters. The podcast episode also included Reno Omokri talking about how Patutomi helped him make his first $1 million, his relationship with Atiku and Jonathan, and why he now supports President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.